We're moving Bridgeports today. Don came to help me. We nearly had a disaster. And of course, it's Don's fault.
Whatever you want to say, buddy.
It was Don's fault. But before we get into that, Don is giving it the old college try to stop smoking. He's on day 3. I congratulate him on that. It's very, very difficult. It's one of the hardest things I ever stopped was chewing snuff.
Especially since I've been smoking since I was 14.
Well, I've dipped snuff for 20-something years, and I can't go to a gun show anymore because you walk in there and they were always giving me free samples of this and that and that, and I just...
Was that like 58 years I've been smoking? 58 years?
Yeah.
That's hard to quit something you've been doing 58 years.
Yeah, but you'll be able to breathe better.
I'm surprised I can breathe at all after 58 years of smoking.
And all the people who've tried to strangle you over your life. Anyway, put a prayer out for Don. He'll need all the help he can.
Yeah, probably.
And every time he tries to smoke something, I'm going to go over and beat him. So that'll work.
Oh, I like that.
On with the show.
You seem a little hoarse. You've been screaming?
You what?
You seem a little hoarse. You've been screaming or something?
I see your little horse.
You seem a little hoarse.
Oh,
Not a lot. Just a little.
all that heavy drinking I do now.
Yeah, that what it is?
Yeah. Been invaded by spiders. Last year, this year, starting again.
You've always had them. Those dead long legs?
No, every kind of spider in a human on Earth has invaded me.
I went in my well house today. I had big old black widow spider sitting right there. I got a lot of black widow spiders, brother.
Hey, I bought a bunch of bug bombs last year.
You ain't used them?
No, because it got cold and they all went away.
They just hibernated. They just hide it. They just hide it.
How does a spider?
Mind you walking.
How does a spider hibernate, Dawn?
By laying eggs for the hatch when it's warmer.
I don't think that's hibernating. I think that's dead. D-E-A-D.
Spreading the genes anyway. But guess what? Either way, you end up with spiders in this.
Tell you, they're starting to come back.
What you want to move now?
Come on over here. And we'll go get and move the thing in. Here, I'll give you so people can hear you.
Well, hola.
Hola.
Hola, chica.
People been asking me where you've been. I didn't tell them you were in jail. I swear. Where were you?
They said Power probably in jail.
Yeah. We're moving the Bridgeport base into its new home. Don has graciously came to help me. Didn't you?
I did.
Okay, let's go get it. It's pretty cool. We would be the invisible machine movers. 2 old farts invisible machine movers.
There you go.
They can't see us.
Yeah.
They can hear us, but they can't see us. All right, let's go. I pushed this thing around for 2 years, Don.
It's gonna fit?
Yeah, I think so. Well, crap.
I don't think no.
Don,
think
we
no.
gotta move some more stuff.
I think no.
Oh. ought to give us enough room. If I was Don, I'd be building a bigger shop by now.
Yeah.
But I'm married, and I like being married, so I don't get bigger shops.
I like a bigger shop better.
Yeah.
Get more practical use out of that. My age.
That's, well, I guess that's okay. You get better use out of a shop than a wife.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know about that.
There you go. Hold on.
Whoa!
Let me go up. Hold on.
You know,
Chuck's in the way.
this could be a radio show, the way we're doing it. If you'd just roll that down this way, I think
what I was
you're
gonna
not
do.
up against the 20-inch. I think I got it. Dadgummit. Tom, would you move those two boxes
Yeah, turn it the other
to
way.
the right? Yeah.
It's got enough room to come.
This pallet jack makes this part easy. Now that we get it over here, I don't know what we're going to do with it though. Don't need this old lead screw.
That's the old one, right?
That's the old one. The new one's sitting there in the box. Remember the guy I bought this mill from said, all it needs is a new lead nut.
Yeah, right.
He was trying to pull a fast one on me. You know what I think we should do? Your idea of trying to put it up on the forks, get it off the pallet, slide it on the forks,
Yeah,
might
maybe.
be the best way.
Maybe. It'll go even.
So maybe if we swing it this way, I'm fast thinking that this pallet jack was the best $500 I've spent in a long time.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think you hit it right the first time. You want to put the pallet jack back here
No, I want
And
to
just
put
slide
it
the whole
like
thing.
this. I'm going to take it off of this
and then slide it on straight.
to it.
Set it down. Set it down. Let's see.
It'd be really nice if it was backwards. That way I could come, well, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
We can twist it.
Doesn't matter. The thing is, just get it down close to the ground first. See if that comes up level now.
Well, it only needs to come up another 1.5 inches.
Yeah, it'll come up. Well, that's probably about right.
All right?
Might even be a little high, but might be okay.
I'd
Push
rather
it.
be just a little bit lower.
Push it over here. So this hits. Yeah. That's a little lower there.
I'm going to put something to chock the wheel back here.
Yeah.
Too much stuff, Don.
That you true. That you do have. Wouldn't argue with that. You need your
10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound sack.
need a bar.
No, I don't think so. But what do I know?
I know I couldn't budget. I just tried.
You know, I lost about 35 pounds so far, and I still won't fit in my shop.
You get your tools on a diet.
I am. I'm working hard on that.
I think your bar, you're going to need your bar. You can just wiggle it right here on this pallet. Just get it going.
All the work I put into this thing, I don't.
You know how
it's
got a cutout here. You don't have to chip it.
I figured I would. Of course, the ends how I painted it, I think I could fix it again.
It's got a cutout here.
Okay. You don't think we can
Just
push
pick
it
it up.
that way? Well, yes, that's what we'll do.
I don't know. I tried.
Here's what I'm going. Well, wait a minute. We got to be smart about this.
I think you painted it to the
I
pallet.
painted it to the pallet. Yeah.
The whole thing.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to push it this way and see if we can swing this over. Nope.
Nope. That's why I laughed. So you're going to have to inch it with a bar. You don't need a big bar, even a small bar. You have a small bar?
What about we just set a fire under the pallet and burn the pallet down and be on the ground sooner?
I'll do it. It works for me.
I know you would. That's my problem. I have a bar somewhere.
You don't need a big one, I don't think.
Well, I don't.
Just enough to scoot it.
All right, I brought a bar. Of course, I want to see you scoot it with a little bar first. Here's your bar, sir.
It's not the whole thing, you know. I just scooted it.
You did. I'm proud of you. Are you going to talk in a high voice now?
Nope. Wasn't that bad.
Okay, let me scoot this side.
That's the light side. This the heavy side.
I didn't tell you that this was an IQ test. Did I? No. That thing's up. Sitting here, scratching up the bottom. I painted and polished the bottom of this too.
I bet you did.
I was reading Practical Machinist this morning. And somebody showed a picture of a turned over machine tool with the base up in the air.
Oh, shit.
And the guy says, I got to turn back over. There was no damage. And the guy said, did you write anything funny on the bottom, like turn me over? The guy said, my father used to do that all the time with stuff on the bottom of drawers. Why are you looking down here and stuff like that? I thought that's pretty cool. Let me go a couple more times with mine. Okay.
out of
You ran out
slide.
of place to slide with, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do we set it on fire now?
No.
Can you do it from the back side?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe.
Would it help if I don't push against you?
Probably help if you're not leaning on it.
Okay, let's do it from this side over here a little bit. Once we get it on this, we can put blocks under it and then roll it to wherever we want to, and then toe jack it down.
You just got to get it on enough to get this out of here and leave the end hang over. That's good enough. You get this back in like that. And
But this is your end.
I'm tired.
You're tired. Okay, I'll take care of it. No. This is your fault that I'm even doing this. You ought to paint this thing. Here we go.
Hold on.
Now,
Yeah, I don't want it to flip.
what we're going to run into here, sir, is,
You just got to put something under here.
well, we need to put something underneath there before it comes off this pallet, because if it goes off the pallet, it'll tilt forward.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Need to put something under there. Doesn't even have to be that high, but it needs to be something so it doesn't go all the way down.
Stand on this so that the pallet doesn't flip over.
It's mostly on there, though. I don't think it's...
Well, the problem is, it's going to be in the middle. There's a edge all the
Yeah, I
way around the
understand that.
outside that if we don't get at least 3 points on there,
Well, I would move the front till you get that on.
that's why I'm standing here.
Yeah.
I felt
See,
it hit it.
it's already going down a little bit. Yeah.
Stop me before I get it over there too far. I am now on the front.
Yeah, we're okay now. Now we good.
Now, I'm going to try, just don't let that pallet flip over. I'm going to try lifting it up some.
Yep.
Don, I'm afraid that the people are going to just, when you got your head down like that, we need this down by your belly button. Because your head's going down there going, I'm your father, Luke.
Yeah, I hear you.
That's the problem, we hear you. Oh, shit,
You went the wrong way, buddy.
I did.
But you got her down.
I got it down pretty quick, didn't I?
I think I'd leave it like that. Just got to pull it off.
No, I don't want to leave it like that.
No, I know. Put some
Damn it.
rollers under it now.
I hit the wrong button. I know I didn't. I had to do something wrong, though.
Yeah, it went down.
Just ask my wife.
Stood her up.
Push against that. Push against the top towards. No. Tilt it over, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, now hold on. Don't push. Keep
I got to keep it up. Look,
under.
just put some rollers under that end. Yeah, put some rollers under that end.
Some rollers.
Bars or something to do what we normally do. Maybe.
Go stand back there and make sure it doesn't. I'm going to push it over. Try to put your foot up against that wheel. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's caught on something.
Hold on. Now I want you to jack it up a little bit. Okay, now very easily let it down just a tiny, tiny bit. Just a
Kind of hard to do that with these.
little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay. Now,
It's gonna fall over. Need to go under it more.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. Put your foot behind it.
You raise it up so you can push it under a little more. Push it under.
We'll hold it so I will push what under it? The block?
Yeah, there you go. It was he's doing this. Okay.
Hold on, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're going about this all wrong.
I'm not thinking, I'm just listening to you.
Going about this all wrong. What we've got is up most of the way. Now if we were to take and put a 2x4 under each side of it, then lower it down, it would lower onto the 2x4s.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
You can use your pallet jack or whatever to get it.
Then we'll just slide the pallet jack under it.
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
You got some right there, but that's on.
Where?
No, the head's on top of it.
Yeah. Head's going into the other room too. No, this was almost a disaster.
Put it on each side, that should hold it up.
One on each corner. Put that over there.
Need to go higher.
Okay, now let it down. Hand me the camera if you would.
The whole thing?
Yeah, just pick it up. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to start selling advertising on your back again.
It's a very poor positioning of the camera there.
Don't even have room in here to turn around, and you're yakking about poor positioning of the camera. Okay. There we go. Okay, now hold on. Back it up. Right there. And up we go. Hold on.
It's off.
Well,
It is up.
I was trying to make it off, not off. Okay. Let's put pallet out of the way. You're going to have to go back out that way and cut it tighter.
No, much.
Oh, no, you won't. Just gonna run into me, huh?
There.
Okay, it's gonna go at an angle.
It's so close. Where you want it at?
Come back.
Yeah, I don't know where you want it.
Okay.
Going back, it doesn't want to be there.
Well, I want it at an angle so that it's easy to work on. And the table kind of goes at an angle like this. I like it where it is now. So let's get the 4x4s and block it up underneath there.
Yeah, I'm holding it because if I let go, it's going to roll.
I got that. I got it. It won't go anywhere. Put that 1-4 before. Is it long enough? No.
That one goes in that corner. No. You ready?
All right, let it down.
The trick is, can we get this out of here? Probably not. Not with this here.
Ta-da! Well, question is, do I like it there?
I don't like angles.
I know you don't, but
Just a personal
what are
thing.
you going to do, you know?
Just a personal thing.
Now that table is going to move. I'll move this for Don bitches about the camera angle again.
It wasn't me complaining about it, it was you. I don't care. You see my back, you see my back.
Well, I think I'm going to leave it here.
Yeah. You can always scoot it a little bit here and there if you got to fine tune it. You know?
Well, this is going to leave 5 feet between the 10E and the
Yeah.
table of this.
That'll
And
be
the
plenty.
table of this can always come back over into this area.
Yeah.
But until we got to put the knee on it first. And at this angle, we'll have plenty of space for the
Engine hoist.
engine hoist to lift the knee in.
Yeah. Yep.
And then plenty of space for the engine hoist to lift the head and the column. But I got a 4-inch riser coming.
That engine hoist goes almost 8 foot up.
Yeah. I didn't buy an 8-foot riser, 4-inch, not 8 feet.
All right.
In
Good.
fact, I found a place in New England that I bought the riser $300 cheaper than everybody else on eBay. And the man called me and threw in a spider with it so I can double spider. I don't like the 8-inch long bolts you need. So if you double spider it, you can use regular bolts. But he calls me up and said, you need any other parts? I've got 30 Bridgeports sitting here. So, and this is supposedly a brand new riser, made in America. So I'll put his name down in the subscription if anybody needs parts.
There you go.
Well, we nearly avoided a disaster.
Yeah. You just wanted to get it down
I
quick.
forgot all about that deadgum lip on the other side. But you was probably distracting me, so it is your fault.
Yeah, true. I didn't have my hand on the controls. You did.
You could have. What I wanted to do is have enough room here. I always love these carts like this for tooling for the machine that you're using. And this one's got all the tooling for the 20-inch axle set.
That's a little tight there.
So see if you can pull it out here and get to your tools,
Yeah.
and then slide it in here.
Yeah, I guess the table missed the table. Barely.
I don't know.
You can see when you put the table on if you got enough room.
I need to take this over to the new acquisition, Don. I need to sharpen this bit.
Yeah. Need to run a 220 line. Oh, that one's a 220 line. Just need a long cord, that's all. That's all. I haven't even hooked up the electrical on it yet. Now, it wasn't much to it. It was a regular light switch.
I know you. The thing I need the most is the drill bit sharpener, and you go start buying other tools and putting them together, you've welded a whole grinder.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
As I finished the other one, except for the electrical.
We need to put this in the other side of the shop. This is the Bridgeport's head. And it is going to be completely disassembled and rebuilt. And oh yes, I'll probably have to paint it too.
You don't have to. You can put that ugly piece of dew on top of your freshly painted mill if you want.
They never let me hear the end of it.
Wouldn't, but you could.
I could. All right. Say goodbye, Don.
Goodbye, guys.
He's over there hiding. Wave or something. They're waving.